Thank you, Rukma. Welcome all to Finance World. Let's start with big news. The GST network, GSTN, on Tuesday said that it has started offering free accounting and billing software to MSMEs with annual turnover of up to 1.5 crore rupees. This would benefit about 80 lakh small businesses. This software would help business create invoice and account statements, manage inventory and prepare GST returns. The said software is available under Download tab on the official GST portal www.gst.gov.in. GSTN said in a statement, the software providers offer basic features like sales and purchase and cash ledger, inventory management, supplier customer masters, generation of invoices, preparation of GST returns for the free, while for the services like additional feature like bank reconciliation, account receivable would be chargeable. Banking had seen a transformation. Gone are the days when customers had to stand in queues in banks to deposit or withdraw money. Now one can use the digital marketing and digital banking sitting at home for a seamless banking experience. A one-stop platform for digital banking and lifestyle shopping app YONO SBI is one such application. SBI Customer Meet was held in New Delhi, where customers were informed about the features of this app. The YONO app, which was launched in November 2017, had seen more than 2 crore downloads so far.
हमारे यहाँ दिल्ली मंडल में लगभग 1067 एटीएम पे योनो कैश पॉइंट की सुविधा उपलब्ध है और इस सुविधा का आप लाभ उठाइए। आपको कभी भी कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी। ये पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है। योनो ऐप आप डाउनलोड करें मोबाइल पे, स्मार्टफोन पे, अपने एंड्रॉयड और iOS जिसके जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर आपके मोबाइल पे है उसके माध्यम से, और योनो की सेवा का लाभ उठाइए। उसमें योनो पे में जब जाएंगे तो योनो कैश का एक बटन है, उसके थ्रू आप ये ट्रांजैक्शन कर सकते हैं। ये काफ़ी सुरक्षित है। जब आप एक बार इसको करने लगेंगे तो शायद आप दोबारा कार्ड का ट्रांजैक्शन ना करें।
And benchmark equity indices Sensex and Nifty closed positive on Tuesday, pressured by strong quarterly earnings reported in the domestic market amid mixed global cues. Sensex recovered more than 250 points from the day's low, and Nifty traded above the level of 11,900 following sharp recovery seen in the major indices. The Sensex ended 66 points above at 39,749, whereas the Nifty closed at 11,929 level, up by just 4 points. Nifty had 21 stocks advancing out of 50, whereas 13 out of 30 stocks ended in the green on the Sensex. IT, media and metals were among the most gaining indices of the day, each gaining over 1%, followed by energy and realty indices. On the other hand, banks and financial services were biggest loser in yesterday's trade, declining over 1%, followed by declines in auto, infra and FMCG stocks.